The main tools our team used for Mini Challenge 1 were Jigsaw, a web-based system we created to help visualize departments and email interactions, and a MATLAB table view. For questions 1 and 3, we would form a hypothesis about a connection or relationship and then use both of our visualization tools to look for answers. After reading the 5 and 10-year historical report, we discovered several known members of the POK. Using that information, we searched the email visualization for shared last names. We noted the department and then used Jigsaw to determine whom they were sending personal emails to. After it became clear that certain departments were heavily tied to the POK, such as security, we looked into the rest of the department. We first tagged suspicious individuals, and then we searched their sent emails to look for suspicious phrases or words. Next, we used Jigsaw's graph view to find groups of individuals inside of GasTech. Some of the suspicious words we explored were files, flowers, virus, vacation, and arise. From the words arise and virus, we managed to identify a group of individuals, some of whom shared last names with original POK members, who were connected and very suspicious. The word flowers suggested that Isia Vaughn, a known POK member, could possibly be in a relationship with Rachel Pantanel. The words files and vacation both linked numerous people together who seemed to have no other contact. With the knowledge of relationships, we returned to use Jigsaw's document view to find out if any of the new names were involved with other suspicious activities. We also used a MATLAB visualization tool to help show email interactions between individuals. The tool's table view is equipped with a heat map that shows email frequency and a tooltip which shows exact email headers. The tooltip enabled us to find more personal emails, such as this email between Rachel Pantanel and Isia Vaughn, which further corroborates the idea that they are in a relationship. Finally, the table could be zoomed in to particular email headers, allowing the user to see who sent and received each email and when the emails were sent and received. For question 2, our primary tool was the tablet view of Jigsaw. We used the tablet to create a timeline of the 2 days after the incident. Each entry had a small text tag and a link back to the article with the relevant information. Using Jigsaw's search capability, we searched for the dates in question, January 20th and 21st. Then, by selecting these two values, the list view became our easiest way to egress. We created a time entity based on the times at the beginning of articles, and used these to organize all articles from the 20th and 21st into chronological order. After scanning the articles, we found that each incident would be reported by several news outlets, and some had better translations than others. As such, we used keywords like modernization for update and Jan for January to help us identify and eliminate poorly translated articles. Finally, we used the document view to examine articles from each hour at a time. This helped us to create a timeline in the tablet with all the information provided from the articles.